Good morning, student. Today we are discussing about preparation of jelly. So, jelly is a semi-solid product prepared by boiling a clear strained solution of pectin containing fruit extract free from pulp after addition of sugar and the acid. A perfect jelly should be transparent, well set, but not too stiffy, and have the original flavor of fruits. It should be of attractive color and keep its shape when removed from the mold. It should not gummy, sticky, or syrupy, uh, then tough and rubbery. The fruits which are suitable for jelly preparation are guava, sour apple, plum, corunda, wood apple, papaya. Then here is some fruits which are suitable for the jelly preparation. The papaya, guava, apple, then citrus. Procedure for the jelly preparation. For the jelly preparation, we have to take a firm, mature fruit. Overripe fruit are avoided because the overripe fruit not contain the good amount of pectin content. Then removal of the outer covering depend upon the nature of fruit. The boiling of these fruit with a water 1:3 proportion means one part of fruit and the three part of the water content about 20 to 30 minutes. Then straining of the extract. After that the pectin test is carried out. Then boiling of the juice along with the sugar, then addition of citric acid during the boiling, that is 2 gram per kg of fruit. Then addition of pectin if required. Then removal of the scum or the foam during the boiling process to avoid the fogginess of the uh, jelly. Then judging of the end point, that is drop test, pectin test, TSS test and the temperature test. So then pour the jelly into the mold or the plate kept for 24 hours for setting of the jelly. They cutting into pieces, then filling into packaging material or the jar, packaging, then sealing, labeling and storage at the ambient temperature. This is the process for the jelly preparation. Then how this tamarind jelly is prepared? For the tamarind jelly preparation, we have to take the tamarind fruit, then removal of its epicarp and the seed material, then measuring of the water for boiling or the extraction of the juice, then boiling of the water and the tamarinds, then straining of the extract, then addition of water, then boiling of the extracted material along with the sugar, then judging the endpoint by TSS 65 degrees Celsius, temperature 105 degrees Celsius, then flake test and the sheet test. Then pour the jam into the plain surface or the stainless steel tray for the setting of the 24 hours. Kept it for the overnight, cutting into small pieces, then packaging into plastic material, sealing, and the final product is ready for the marketing. Thank you.